Everyone in the mortgage industry wants to do more, and everybody talks about doing more. From coaching companies that charge thousands of dollars each month, to companies who have claimed to create an app or a CRM that's going to double an originator's business. But how many times does that actually work? I'm Regan Hagestad, founder of Mortgage Success Blueprint. And what I've done is I've laid out my exact game plan and blueprint that allowed me to take my production from 20 million to 40 million to 70 million and then 100 million. And what I realized is that I'm not special, that anybody can do this. But too many times originators look for a tip or a trick to do that. And ultimately, you need to have an exact step-by-step guide. And that's what I've created with my video series. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that this is the first step in you creating your own mortgage success blueprint.